Hey, what's up guys? Welcome back to another brand new video. I hope you guys are all doing well today. Of course, I want to give you guys an update what is happening with Bitcoin right now and of course the entire crypto market. So straight up, okay, you guys can just clearly see Bitcoin is now back above $70,000. Yesterday, okay, we saw Bitcoin having a slight correction back down below $70,000. Okay, went all the way, actually at one point it went all the way down at 68,400, and then it slightly bounced back up to 69 to $70,000. Okay, and you guys can just clearly see, okay, a couple of hours ago we actually did see Bitcoin above $71,000, 71,500. So Bitcoin today, okay, and of course the entire crypto market is in fact bouncing back up. Okay, we are in fact seeing a lot of altcoins bouncing back up as well, right? So in today's video, guys, let's talk about it, okay? And there is in fact some other news that I do in fact want to show you guys, what's happening in the crypto space as well. It's pretty interesting. I do in fact want to show you guys one chart for Ethereum, okay, because Ethereum, okay, is looking pretty good. It's looking pretty strong, and I really do believe Ethereum will, soon enough reach back up to its previous all-time highs, and of course reach a new all-time high in the next upcoming bull run, right? So let's talk about it, guys. But yes, as you can clearly see, Bitcoin is now back at 70,000, okay, 70,800. Okay, so Bitcoin is looking pretty strong today. Okay, it's still, holding very, very strong at this level. You guys can just clearly see for the past few days, Bitcoin has in fact pretty much been consolidating at this level, right? In between, pretty much 71 to 70 to below 70,000, just below $70,000 for the past few days. So it's still, holding very, very strong at this level, right? Now, the crypto market today is looking so much better than what it was doing yesterday. You guys can clearly see the global crypto market cap now sitting at 2.67 trillion. That's amazing. And overall, the market today is up 2%, right? 2.2%. And you guys can clearly see for the past 24 hours, both Bitcoin and Ethereum are in fact up, above 2%. So that's, amazing to see. Okay. And you guys can clearly see a fair few altcoins are in fact pumping, doing their own thing. Look at Dogecoin today. Dogecoin now pretty much at 21 cents, pretty much 22 cents, right? Just below 22 cents, and it's up 17% today. Okay, 17% for the past 24 hours, and you guys can clearly see for the past week, 7 days, Doge is up 40%, right? So Dogecoin is absolutely skyrocketing today, right? And it has been for the past, few days, right? But yeah, a fair few altcoins are in fact doing its own thing. We are in fact seeing a lot of altcoins up 1%, 2%, 3% today, even 4%. You guys see Dog with Hat. Okay, I feel like a lot of people are in fact talking about this meme coin, and it's up 23% today, over 23%, and for the past week, 7 days, it's up over 63%. So it seems like a lot of meme coins are in fact pumping, and I told you guys many times, this is a very, very strong sign and signal that we are in fact right at the beginning of the next upcoming bull run / bull market, because we do in fact see a lot of meme coins pumping out of nowhere. And that's exactly what's happening right now with a lot of these memes, okay? But guys, I really want to show you guys this real quick, okay? What's happening with the crypto space right now. But we know Sam Bankman, okay, he was the CEO of FTX, and we know he is in fact being sentenced to prison. And it's just in Bitcoin Magazine tweeted this out. Okay, breaking news that judge sentences Sam Bankman to 25 years in prison for multi-billion-dollar FTX fraud. Right, so 25 years, guys. Okay, our thought would have been life in prison, right? But it's only 25 years. Okay, and I believe Sam Bankman's about 30 years old. So it's pretty much not his entire life he'll be in prison, I'm pretty sure, but it is still pretty long. So that's crazy, guys. Okay, 25 years, right? So that's that. But yeah, Ethereum, like I told you guys, okay, I do in fact want to show you guys one Ethereum chart, okay, which is this right here, okay? So Ethereum is looking pretty strong, okay? If you actually look at, the Ethereum chart right now, which is this, you guys can clearly see it's going to reach back up to its previous all-time high back in 2021. We know back in 2021, we did in fact see Ethereum reach about $4,800, close to $5,000. Okay, that was in fact its previous all-time highs. Its previous peak back 2021 when we were in fact in a bull market, obviously. And it's looking like right now Ethereum is easily going to reach back up to its previous all-time high very soon, and it's going to reach a new peak in 2025, just like what this chart is showing. And I think this is very, very possible. In 2025, understand, guys, right? 2025 is going to be an amazing year. If you think 2024 is going to be a great year for Bitcoin and crypto, just you guys wait, okay, for what's going to happen, what's coming for 2025, because it's going to get even crazier. So understand, guys, Bitcoin is obviously going to absolutely skyrocket in 2025. Okay, it's going to create new highs, right? Same with Ethereum and many more other altcoins in the crypto market, right? Understand that, guys. So yes, Ethereum, okay, is looking very, very strong right now. Okay, it really, really is. Okay, so that's great to see for ETH. But yeah, let's start talking more about Bitcoin, starting off with BlackRock, right? Because we know BlackRock, they have in fact been accumulating and buying into a lot of Bitcoins ever since their Bitcoin ETFs were, officially approved by the SEC. So BlackRock Spot Bitcoin ETF now holds over 250,667 100 Bitcoins, right? Over 250,000 Bitcoins, guys, right? And now that's worth $17.78 billion, almost $18 billion, guys. That is insane, okay? And I told you guys, BlackRock, they want to take your Bitcoins. Okay, so simply, guys, do not sell your Bitcoins to these guys, because a lot of these big guys, okay, institutions and / big buyers like Michael Saylor, they are in fact buying a whole bunch of Bitcoin, right? We know that. So simply, guys, do not sell your Bitcoins. Keep these into Bitcoin and hold your Bitcoins, okay? Because soon enough, there's not going to be enough Bitcoins for everyone. Understand that, guys. One day there's going to be not enough Bitcoins for everyone, okay? Not everyone out there can own, a full Bitcoin. So hold your Bitcoins, okay? If you're watching this video right now and you hold multiple Bitcoins, hold it, okay? If you want to take some of your profits, go ahead. There's nothing wrong with taking profits, but understand, guys, hold some of your Bitcoins. Do not sell all of them, right? That's just personally my opinion, okay? Not financial advice. Always do your own research, right? But yeah, guys, don't sell your Bitcoins to these guys, okay? Simply buy more Bitcoin and most importantly, hold them for long term. Do this for your future self, right? But yeah, let's start talking more about Bitcoin, what's going to happen with Bitcoin, okay, in the next couple of months, and of course next year in 2025. And yes, and just clearly see it shows right here that Bitcoin soon enough is going to have a breakout, right? So it says here Bitcoin looks like it's preparing its escape from the red line, which is this line right here, what's showing in this chart, right? And what this line is of the golden ratio multiplier, like it did in the past cycle, right? So you guys can just clearly see it is looking like, as of right now, as of from this video, okay, Bitcoin is in fact trying to escape. It's trying its best to escape and absolutely break out of this red line of the golden ratio multiplier, okay? So like I said, it looks like it did this in the past, okay, and that's exactly what Bitcoin is looking like it wants to do right now. So you guys can just clearly see, for example, back in 2020, I hope you guys can see that. You guys can see that. Back late 2020, you guys can clearly see Bitcoin did in fact break above, that red line of the golden ratio multiplier. And after a break out of it, you guys can clearly see a massive bull run did in fact happen for Bitcoin. You guys can just clearly see that. So that's exactly what's happening right now. You guys can clearly see that, right? So that means one thing: a massive bull run is obviously ahead. I've been telling you guys many times for the past few days, few weeks, few months to prepare yourselves for a massive bull run, right? We are in fact about to enter, a massive bull market, right? And pretty much, guys, we are in fact right at the beginning of the bull market, right? This is literally the early stage of a bull market. You guys can just clearly see Bitcoin right now is just touching the golden ratio multiplier, the red line, right? It is looking like it wants to break out of it. And once it does, okay, obviously we're going to see a massive bull run, okay, a massive pump up to the upside. So get ready, because a 100K Bitcoin is coming, guys. Okay, I'm telling you guys out right now. Okay, speaking about 100K Bitcoin, I also want to show you guys this chart right here. It says here, Bitcoin surged 91% in 51 days after the ETF approval, which is massive, right? That's obviously, very, very bullish. And also says here, if Bitcoin continues this trajectory, after the halving in April, because we know, the Bitcoin halving event's coming in April, right, very, very soon, right, less than 25 days from now, it will hit $116,000 by the 10th of May. Okay, the 10th of May. Okay, so is this true? Will we see Bitcoin to $116,000, okay, by the 10th of May this year in 2024? Okay, that's very, very soon, guys. That's, like, what, 2 months away, pretty much, right? So, guys, we will see Bitcoin at $116,000 by the 10th of May this year in 2024. Let me know in the comments down below, but we will see. But if Bitcoin does in fact continue, okay, its pace with this pace, we will easily see Bitcoin, above 100K. And I've been telling you guys many times, we will sometime this year, most likely towards the end of this year, but it seems like it's going to happen sooner with this chart, that we're going to see a 100K Bitcoin, right? Understand, guys. Sometime this year, 2024, we're going to easily see Bitcoin at 100K. Understand that, guys. But I don't know if this is going to happen. 116, over 100K by the 10th of May, that's very, very soon. Like, I'm not saying it's impossible. It's possible, but I just don't know if it's going to happen this quick, this soon. Maybe you guys can let me know in the comments down below. For me, I'm like 50-50 on this, but we will see, okay? But yes, Bitcoin, okay, it's going to go way higher than $100,000. And this is the last thing that I want to show you guys for today's video, this Bitcoin chart. 200K. Been talking about Bitcoin reaching $200,000 for the longest time now. I really do believe in the next upcoming, bull market, right? This cycle, this bull cycle, I really do believe Bitcoin's going to easily reach 200K to over $200,000. Okay, and I really do believe that's going to happen, sometime next year in 2025. Next year, 2025, guys, we will 100% see Bitcoin at least $200,000. Okay, sometime next year in 2025. So prepare yourselves. All my Bitcoin holders out there, prepare yourselves right now for that, because it's going to happen, right? So get ready. But guys, I'm gonna go ahead and end this video here. I hope you guys all enjoyed it. Give a thumbs up, subscribe to the channel if you guys haven't already. That is always appreciated. And I'll catch you guys all in my next video. Have a good one, guys.